Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Ford Focus key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any existing ones you want to keep working. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and unlocked. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth programming experience, ensuring all steps proceed without issues. We're aiming for a quick and easy process here. Now, let's get your car ready to learn new fobs. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Quickly cycle the key from on to off 4 times within a 6-second window. You'll hear a chime, which confirms your vehicle has successfully entered programming mode. This sound is your signal that the car is now ready to accept new key fob codes, so listen carefully for it. With your car in programming mode, it's time to link your fobs. Take your first new key fob and press any button on it within 10 seconds of hearing the chime. The car will chime again, confirming that this specific fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more fobs, repeat this exact step for each one. This ensures all your fobs are recognized and ready to use, giving you full control. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the on position. You'll hear a final chime, signaling that the process is complete. Now, it's important to test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock and unlock the doors as expected. This confirms everything worked perfectly. For more helpful tips and great deals, check the description below. You'll find links there, including one for the fantastic Oala water bottle, perfect for staying refreshed on the go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.